So we are today unboxing this new KitchenAid. This is the bowl lift stand mixer. It's the KSM55. Yeah, got it on sale at Target. It's supposed to have the more powerful motor in it, and got it at a really good price. So we'll check it out. I got it in this really cool agave. It looks a little bit more gray in real life under these lighting conditions. This is coming across as a little bit blue. I would say this is leaning a little bit more gray, but it's nice. So let's pull her out. All right, so opening up at this KitchenAid stand mixer, we are greeted by a manual. And it gives you an indication of all of the goodies that are included in this.
You sure about that?
Bowl type included with select models. Picture style may vary from product depending on model. Can also be used to scrape your bowl. Okay, so it doesn't come with all these. I don't think. We'll see. I got the KSM55, which is the base version of this one. So let's see what it all comes with. So first things first, I see here, we've got our little dough hook. Whee! And it is enameled. And there's a cap. Oh, and it says on here, use speed 2 only. See instruction manual. Okay. A little bit of scuff there, but anyway. What else we got? I'm wondering if we should just tip this box sideways and pull her out. Okay. And pull her out. Oh, she's... there we go. Okay. As she comes out, we'll just lift her back up. Cool. All right, and what fell out was this welcome, bienvenue, bienvenido. I assume I don't speak Spanish, but discover KitchenAid
Today, Junior?
attachments. Cool. All right. Don't know what to say about that. They want you to buy more things with their product. Makes sense. So it comes with the mixer here. Oh, it goes out this way. Okay, look at that. Nice little mixer. And you can see the whisk is already attached here. Oh, interesting, it's not... Oh, I read about that. They got rid of the little spring doodle up here, so it doesn't keep force down anymore. Interesting.
Interesting.
Okay, well, let's, oh, we have another piece of paper. Clung with static electricity. Important information about your product's limited warranty. Cool.
We've been meaning to reach you about your car's extended warranty.
I hope I don't have to worry about the warranty, but yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest of this packaging off. Push it down for the time being. Put this big bulky box away. The one side. This is number 6 recyclable too, so good to know. Cool. Look at this bad boy. So the color's okay. It's a little less green. You know, it's funny. In the picture here, it looks very, very hospital blue, which is sort of where it's leaning. It looks a little bit medical grade. But in real life, it sits a little bit more, a little darker, a little bit more in the gray than what the video is showing. We have our plug here. Okay. which runs, I want to say close to like 3 feet or 1 meter. And what else we got? We have our speed doohickey. And then on this side, we have the main lever. And I think I read somewhere that you can actually do it at 3 different levels.
It's totally made up. Pure fiction. It's fiction. It's fiction. We made it up. We made this one up.
Maybe you can't in this one. I thought I saw that in the box somewhere, but we can figure that out. Of course, it has the attachment screw. This pops out. This is also a cast. Maybe it's not cast, actually. It feels maybe molded. Anyway, it's a lighter quality steel, but it should just do the trick. It's just for a show. Okay. Let's go ahead. Oh, we have a little registration card in here. Register with your smartphone. Okay. And hand wash only. Washing in dishwasher will cause the wire whip to discolor after washing. Dry thoroughly. Oh, interesting. Curious.
Most curious creature, Captain.
So is this aluminum? I would hope it's stainless, but I have to do some research as to what that is. It feels kind of like oxidized. Is my thumb turning black, or is my hand just that dirty? No, my thumb is definitely turning black. So this is oxidizing. So this isn't stainless. Does it say in there what that is? No, it doesn't. Okay. Interesting.
What do you think, Antonio?
Good.
These also feel like they're made from the same material, just based on the weight. But this is obviously coated in some sort of enamel to protect it. Interesting. Okay, well let's, now that we got all our who's or what's are off, let's get a little knife and cut this off and plug her in. They could have probably, I understand why you wouldn't want this cord to be too long. Another foot or two, a 5-foot or 6-foot cord would be nice. This seems a little bit short. I understand it's supposed to be used on the countertop, but anyway, that might be just me. Totally amateur when it comes to stand mixers. I used to have a nice Smeg one. We got rid of it, and so this is our Smeg replacement. It was a noisy unit, but it was good. It mixed really well. So I'm hoping this stands up to that. This has the more powerful motor too. This was supposed to have like a 3-level lock in there too.
You're a moron.
That's not me.
You're a moron. So's your mother.
In any event, let's turn her on and see what she. Throw the beater on here. Put this guy down. I don't like that it doesn't have that spring anymore. Maybe that's just me. And we'll put it up here and see what the tolerances are like from the factory. It's not touching, which is good. Let's put it on a half, so we can do multiple different speeds here. But the first one we can start as a half speed. So let's give that a shot.
So much torque. The chassis twisted coming off the line. Barely.
Cool. Okay. You can see the table's not totally sturdy, but balance-wise, I mean, it's not all that loud. I see a lot of people complaining about their stand mixers being loud, and I remember my old Smeg 2 was like a noisy, but I'm talking to you maybe a little bit louder than I was before, and you can hear me quite well, I'm sure of it. So, yeah, this is a good, it sounds quality, it sounds refined, it sounds engineered.
Strong like, bull smart like tractor.
There's obvious cost-cutting measures, as I mentioned, like this feels a little, and like these not being stainless, like those are definitely like cost-cutting things, but it sounds very refined. This unit sounds really, really good, and I'm excited to actually start getting it some use. As I said, the table's not very steady. If I hold on to the table there, I mean, this thing is pretty rock solid for flinging around at however many RPMs that it's doing. Cool. All right, I'm excited. This is good news. Let's pop this down. Just lifting this off. Again, there's no spring, but I guess that's okay. This unit here, I wonder if that's, I don't think this is stainless either. I think this is just, it must be just regular steel because there's oxidization being on it. This looks like it's some sort of chromed, this might be stainless or something chromed because it's not tarnished like this is, that's for sure. And then to get the pot off itself, I think you just lift it, or yeah, it's just sitting in that nipple there, so we should be able to just, there we go, pop it out. Bing, bang, boom. Got that off. The bowl is nice. Good quality. Get it back on. And just put it into the two little spigots here, and then pop this back clip in. Boom. So there's the initial run and the test unboxing. I will go ahead and next video we'll make a video of it actually doing the thing, whipping the whip, beating the. You know what I'm saying. And we'll go from there. All right. Thanks for tuning in.